In this video, I am going to show you how to use UnitedHealthcare UCard at Walmart. So, if your UnitedHealthcare Medicare Advantage plan includes a UCard with OTC, health food, or other eligible benefits, you can use it at Walmart to pay for covered items. What you can buy depends on your specific plan, so check your availability benefits before shopping. Before shopping, make sure that your Q card is activated. Check your available balance in the United Healthcare app or the U Card Hub and review which benefits your plan includes, such as OTC items, healthy food, or other eligible purchases. At Walmart, if you're shopping online, you can look for benefits program, or example, or choose the products basically covered by your plan. If you're using the Walmart's app, as we said, look for benefits program eligible badge or scan an item barcode to check availability or eligibility if you are shopping at store. Not every item in the store qualified. So when you are ready to pay, just swipe the physical U card like a debit card, or you can scan the digital U card barcode in the United Healthcare app if it's supported at your store. Eligible purchases will be deducted from your available benefits balance. If your cart contains non-eligible items or purchases that exceeds your available benefits, you'll have to pay the remaining balance with another accepted payment method. If your U card was declined, check that your card is activated and that you have enough basically available benefits or funds. The items that you are buying also check that they are covered but by your specific United Healthcare plan. So that's how you use the United Healthcare U card at Walmart. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.